All right, so we're looking at Nursing 367, and in the grade book, it appears that conclusion and references is worth 5 points. But if we look at the syllabus, conclusion and references is not a separate assignment. It was last year, but that assignment was removed. So what we're going to do is we are going to go to Manage Grades, and let's go ahead and remove that. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Go up here where it says Manage Grades. We're going to click on Manage Grades. We're going to arrow down, and you'll see where Conclusion and References is listed. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And we're going to come up here, and we're going to click Delete. Okay, let's see. So let's click on that again and then delete. It says, are you sure you want to delete the grade category, conclusion, and references? And indeed we do, because that is not a separate assignment for the course this term. So let's go ahead and click delete. Okay, so now let's go ahead and go back to the gradebook. Let's go back to the gradebook, make sure it's not there. And if we arrow across, it does appear that it is gone. So let's go ahead. All right, so conclusion and references has been removed from the gradebook. That is good. The other thing we need to do is we need to look at APA because there are 16 questions and it is worth 8 points. So if we're at APA assignments, we're going to click on that and click Edit. Okay, we're going to arrow down and we're going to change the maximum points to 8 and then save and close. We can click yes. And then we should go to the grade book and everything should be 100% accurate, we hope.